In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recurrent tasks in Asana. If you've ever found yourself creating the same task over and over, like sending a weekly update, running a monthly report, or checking invoices, recurring tasks will save you time and keep your schedule consistent. Let's walk through the process together in a clear, simple way. Start by opening the Asana project where you want the recurring task to live. Make sure you're in the right workspace and project. Whether you're using list or board view, the process is the same and the repeat settings will stick with the task no matter how you're viewing it. Next, add a new task. Click Add Task, then give it a clear, action-oriented name so future versions are easy to recognize. Open the task details to see all the fields. If you're a fan of shortcuts, you can also use the quick add option to get there faster. But the important thing is that you're in the task details before setting the schedule. Now set the due date. Click the due date field to open the calendar. This is where you'll anchor your schedule. Pick the first date you want this task to occur. If timing matters, you can also choose a due time, which is helpful for reminders and prioritization. In the calendar pop-up, look for the option at the bottom that says Set to Repeat and click it. This is where the magic happens. Turning this on converts your single task into a recurring one based on the pattern you choose. Configure the recurrence to match your workflow. Choose from daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or create a custom schedule. For example, you can set it to repeat every Monday, every 2 weeks, or monthly on a specific date or weekday pattern. Use custom settings to fine-tune things like every third Thursday or every 2 months. Once a task is set to repeat, Asana will automatically generate the next occurrence when you complete the current one, carrying over the task name and key details so you don't have to rebuild it each time. Finally, save the task. After confirming your repeat schedule, save, and you'll see a repeat indicator next to the due date. From now on, new occurrences will appear based on the schedule you set. If you ever need to adjust timing later, just reopen the due date, tweak the repeat settings, and save. And if you want to stop the recurrence, turn off the repeat option from the same place. That's it. Your recurring task is ready to keep your routine on track without any extra effort.